Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up TP-Link Deco X80 Dual-Band Mesh WiFi 6 system. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this TP-Link Deco X80 setup is the one of the best. Basically, the TP-Link Deco X80 is a powerful mesh Wi-Fi 6 router system that gives fast and stable internet in every room of your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the box. Inside the TP-Link Deco X80 Dual-Band Mesh WiFi 6 system box, you usually get the Deco X80 units, 1-pack, 2-pack, or 3-pack, power adapters for each unit, 1 Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. These items help you quickly connect and start setting up your mesh Wi-Fi at home. Open the Google Play Store, Android, or Apple App Store, iPhone/iPad. Search for TP-Link Deco. Tap Install and wait for it to finish downloading. Open the app and log in or create a TP-Link ID by tapping Sign Up. Now turn off modem. Connect Ethernet cable, modem Deco X80 WAN/LAN port. Turn on modem. Plug power to Deco. Wait until LED turns blue, ready for setup. Open the TP-Link Deco app on your phone. Tap Let's Begin or the plus symbol at the top. Choose Deco X80 model. App will find your Deco. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app may ask you to allow Bluetooth and location access, allow both. It will now search for the Deco unit nearby. When the app detects the Deco, it will ask you to assign a location. Select a location from the list, like living room, bedroom, etc., or create a custom one. This helps you identify where each unit is placed in the app. The app will now try to detect the internet connection from the modem. If it asks for connection type, choose Dynamic IP, most common, if you're unsure. If your ISP gave you a username password, PPPoE, choose PPPoE and enter them. Once connected, the app will show connected to the internet. Now it's time to create your new Wi-Fi network. Enter a Wi-Fi name, SSID. This is the name you'll see when connecting. Enter a Wi-Fi password. This secures your network. Tap Next to apply the settings. Your phone will disconnect from your current network and reconnect to the new Deco Wi-Fi network. Connect your phone to the new Wi-Fi name you created. Setup of main Deco is complete. Your TP-Link Deco X80 Mesh Wi-Fi is now ready for fast internet across your home. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.